in AP. Yes, he is an IPS officer. Okay? That same level in China will be a qualified party worker. He is also qualified, but he will be a member of the party. Then only he will get that position. So what is happening here? Party is there, members are there, control is also there. We have parties, we have members, no control. There, everything is controlled by the members. But because he has to become a managing director, he is qualified perfectly to that core. Suppose you take a managing director of BHEL, that BHEL managing director is a member of the party and he is an electrical engineer as well. Then only he will get that position. After that, when he go to the ministry, after working for this type of companies as a head of the company, he will get the promotion as a minister. That is how the total system goes perfectly from top to bottom, because it is under the control of the members of the party and it is under control of the policy. Policies are made based on the data collected by their members. Who are their members? Again, they are also controlling the state-owned units. Ultimately, what you get exact information there. That is how their policies are. You don't believe that. You try to collect this data, imports from China, from which countries, you find from those countries how much is exported to China. That data if you collect, you will be shocked. Every time they say 10% cannot be paid unless the goods reaches their country and they do the inspection. Try to chat with some people online who are in business. If you don't have something and having all the expertise, just sitting idle. If they start working, China is nowhere. For this, I have already put some blog in LinkedIn, that is Advantage India. You go into that, share all your opinions in that. How the advantages are there now to India. That's a very big topic. We can discuss online, no problem. And to be very brief, I will tell you one point here. What is the advantage India today is? Number one. All of you are talking only from one side. You are not going to the other side. You are all saying what you have. No, that will not improve. You should know what the others want. Please go to the other side of the wall. You are all discussing about what is here. What is here is not a matter. You can have everything, but other person don't want to take. How you do business? What you have to know is what is happening outside. Every American is dreaming today to have something which is made in America or not made in China in their house. Try to understand this. You talk to any of the Americans or your friends in America, what is their feeling about China? Why we should ask only their feeling about China? Because we have to compete with China. We should know what is the drawbacks with our competitor. Then only we can catch up. Weakness should be first identified, then you can win your opponent very easily. So what is there required today? Every American wish to have something in their house which is not made in China. They could not able to do it. How they can do? If India supports, it is possible. So, this is an opportunity for India to take the big group working in China, another round. They are developing a big network and they want to explode one day and they want to say we want to arrive to work. That group is also developed. We don't know when it will come. When that comes in the news, then you will remember me. That is a fact. Because they are also exposed to many countries. Previously they are not exposed. Today all the Chinese are exposed to many countries, many systems, many cultures. So they are also thinking to have a big change in their own system. But they are already halfway through. They may achieve that also very soon. Let us hope. But before that, we should become next manufacturing hub. This should be our aim. If you go with this aim, your international. So if you wish to be in international business, you should go to these places first. Then only you will get your own exposure. Then you can come back and start anywhere. Not a problem. When you establish your own, you can be anywhere because it is global. Everything will be done on the net. Even even traveling also I do business. Even if I sit in my home also I do business. Even I sit in the hotel also I do business. Because we have connectivity everywhere. When somebody asks me some queries, I will answer online. Or I will forward to some mail come from Africa, I forward it to China, get the reply, I forward it to Africa. Finish. For this I need not have to sit in an office. Because I know the answer, for me no need to sit in an office. But you don't know the answer, so you should sit in an office. When you get a query, you have to ask your seniors or superiors or experienced people. They will give you the reply, type it and send it there. So for that you need some assistance. So you should be in the place where this is happening. You must go to a place where it is happening. Without that, you will not get a clear exposure. What is the next? Then